What if I told you that saving your first $100,000 is actually the hardest financial milestone you'll ever hit? But once you crack the code, the next $100,000 takes half the time, and the one after that takes even less? Right now. Reading this. Before I reveal the exact psychological tricks, mathematical shortcuts, and unconventional strategies that compressed what should take 15 years into just 5 to 7 years for thousands of ordinary middle-class Americans, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I break down wealth-building blueprints every single week that financial advisors won't share because they'd rather keep you paying fees for decades. Here's the truth that nobody tells you about that first $100,000. It's not actually about the money, it's about rewiring your brain, breaking every spending habit society programmed into you since childhood, and discovering that the impossible goal everyone says takes decades can actually be achieved in a fraction of that time if you understand the mathematical reality hiding behind compound interest. You've been lied to about how long this takes. The financial industry wants you to think building wealth is this slow, gradual, 40-year journey that requires their expensive management and complex products. They profit from your belief that $100,000 is some distant, unreachable number that only happens through decades of $200 monthly contributions to retirement accounts you can't touch until you're 65. But here's what actually happens when you crack the code on your first $100,000. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's business partner and one of the greatest investors in history, said it best. The first $100,000 is a bitch, but you gotta do it. He wasn't exaggerating. That first 6 figures is brutally difficult because you're fighting against everything. Your habits, your environment, your social circle, inflation eating your savings, and the soul-crushing reality that $5,000 in your account doesn't generate meaningful returns. But once you hit $100,000, the game completely changes. Suddenly, compound interest becomes a real force instead of a theoretical concept. Your money starts making more money than you can save from your paycheck. The psychological shift from "I'm trying to save" to "I'm actually building wealth" creates momentum that accelerates everything. This is the blueprint for how to save your first $100,000 faster than everyone said was possible. Not through get-rich-quick schemes, not through crypto, gambling, or day trading fantasies. Through a specific, proven system that combines aggressive saving, strategic income increases, psychological rewiring, and mathematical leverage that most people never discover. I'm going to show you exactly why the first $100,000 is the hardest but most important milestone. Why it's actually easier than you think if you stop following conventional advice. The specific timeline breakdown showing you can hit this in 5 to 7 years earning a middle-class income. The psychological traps that make it feel impossible when it's actually inevitable with the right system. And most importantly, why hitting this number transforms everything about your financial future in ways you can't imagine until you experience it. If you're sitting there thinking, $100,000 in 5 to 7 years is impossible on my salary. That's exactly the limiting belief that keeps you broke. I'm about to mathematically prove to you that it's not just possible, it's inevitable if you follow this blueprint. And I'm going to show you exactly how people earning $40,000 to $80,000 per year are doing it right now, while their peers making the same income are still living paycheck to paycheck, wondering why they can't get ahead. This isn't theory. This isn't motivation. This is mathematics, psychology, and a step-by-step system that works whether you're 22 or 42, whether you're earning $35,000 or $85,000, whether you're starting from zero or starting from negative because of debt. The principles are universal. The timeline is realistic. The results are inevitable if you actually execute instead of just consuming content and hoping things magically improve. Let's destroy the myth that building wealth takes 40 years and show you the actual blueprint for your first $100,000.